Ladies and gentlemen, sparks are flying here. Day number 4, the CPP Week to Wicked presented by Golden Star 55 Chevy build. We've got the real deal steel body on the CPP frame. Everything is set up. Radiator is getting assembled right now. The guys are over there doing their work and keep everything nice and cool. And speaking of nice and cool, Luis is still working on the old Air Products air conditioning. AC heater and defrost system all going in, and we're getting the body all ready for TMI to stop in later on today to drop in that beautiful interior. I can't wait to see that. It's going to be butter. We've also got United Pacific. Their headlights, taillights, and side view mirrors are going on the car as well. And the man who's flying sparks back there, Lee himself, the muffler man, putting in the pipes. So it's day number 4. A lot of stuff to do today. Day number 4 in the CPP Week to Wicked presented by Golden Star. Hey guys, how are you? Jeff Dissett here. We're at the end of day number 4 on the 55 Chevy CPP Week to Wicked build presented by Golden Star. We've got the Hot Rod by Dean's radiator in, the AC condenser, but AC system, Luis is still working on it. That's all right. TMI got the interior in, and it looks fantastic. We had Lee here, the muffler man, got the exhaust system in. It looks great too. United Pacific, we got their taillights in, but we're still working on getting the headlights. That's coming tomorrow. We're going to get this bad boy fired up. It's the CPP Week to Wicked. See you guys mañana.